Hi friend, I'm Myra with Vial Designs, and in today's video I'm going to show you over 20 easy fall doodle ideas. Let's get started. Alright, let's start doodling, and as you can see here, I drew them in pencil first and then I erased them slightly so that they were not super noticeable but still noticeable for me to trace them. So feel free to do the doodles with pencil first and then you can ink them later. I went ahead and just show you the inking part just to save time in the video. And the first cute fall doodle that we're gonna do is this scarf, which we are doing it in form of a banner to write November inside. I'm writing November in my block lettering style. I do have a full video where I show you 5 ways to letter November. This is one of them, and I also have a free lettering practice worksheet. If you would like to see that video, I'm gonna link it in the description down below. Moving on to doodle number 2 is this leaf, which is very simple to do. You just draw the stem and then a pointy oval looking, and then we do the shading inside. Easy fall doodle number 3 is this cute pumpkin, and for this one I'm just drawing the outline and very slightly I'm doing some shading inside, and this is so that I can draw the little face better. We're also gonna be drawing a leaf and the stem, and the details inside for the eyes and the smile you can do it with the same pen, which by the way I'm using the Pigeon Letters Monoline Studio pen. I'm gonna be rotating between the 03 and the 01, and of course I'll link it in the description down below as well. And usually I like the 01 to do the smaller details inside the doodles. And easy fall doodle number 4 is this apple basket with a single apple to the side. Moving on to fall doodle number 5 is this super cute mug, and I'm going with hot cocoa for the inside. I'm not so much of a tea person. I rather do coffee or hot chocolate when it's very cold. And what do you like best, tea or coffee? Let me know in the comments. Moving on to the super cute beanie hat. Fall doodle number 7 is this super adorable fox, and he is taking a nap, and I'm so happy how this one turned out. Also, let me know which one of these doodles is your favorite. I have a couple of favorites, but as of right now, this fox is it. Fall doodle number 8 is this super cute acorn. And now I'm gonna go ahead and draw another fall leaf, and I'm not gonna count this one just because we already drew one similar. These leaves are perfect to fill in some spaces, so that's why I'm doing that one here. Now let's do another style of leaf. This one has these little these are like triangles, and the shading inside we're just gonna do these groups of lines. Fall doodle number 10 is another style of fall leaf. Let me know in the comments if you know the names to these leaves. Okay, so moving on to fall doodle number 11, we have a football, and the reason why I included it here is because here in the United States, football season starts around the same time the fall season starts. Fall doodle number 12 is another style of leaves. Now moving on to pumpkin pie for doodle number 13. Okay, now let's do fall doodle number 14, which is this pumpkin spice latte or a beverage of your choice. I tried the pumpkin spice latte not too long ago and it was a little bit too sweet for me. And now fall doodle number 15. And I guess donuts, donuts are good anytime, but especially sweets are like even better when it's cold outside. I don't know, what do you think? Fall doodle number 16 is another version of our cute fox, and this one is not napping, it's just saying hi to you guys. And fall doodle number 17 is a maple leaf, and I find it easier to draw the stem first and then 2 diagonal lines, and the top part I like to draw sort of like triangle and then an inverted C shape and then a U and then connect them and keep going around it. And as you can see here, I went and switched real quick to the 01 to do the shading inside. And for fall doodle number 18, here we have, I guess this one will be better as a hot cocoa. Okay, so let's leave this one as a hot cocoa and the other one it was hot coffee, because this one has the whipped cream on top. Fall doodle number 19 is this super cute and adorable owl. Moving on to fall doodle number 20, we have this super cute and adorable corn. Fall doodle number 21 is this cute turkey, and here in the United States we celebrate Thanksgiving, which it was the first one for me when we got to this country because we don't celebrate that in Colombia. And now I'm very curious to see where you're watching from, and if you're still listening to me rambling, comment below where you're watching from and let me know if you celebrate Thanksgiving in your country. And I feel like Thanksgiving is a great opportunity to show a little bit extra gratitude, and even though I do believe that we should be grateful every day of our lives because every day is a blessing, and this is just makes it like an excuse to gather with family and be thankful for all the blessings that we have. And let's finish our easy fall doodles with another fall doodle leaf, and this will make it doodle number 22. And here you have our fall doodles complete, our full page for November, and here I added some color. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And to grab the free doodling and coloring page, make sure to go to my blog at vialdesigns.com/fall doodles. Be sure to grab the free printable that I created for you, and I hope this video gives you some inspiration to start doodling. Be sure to comment below and let me know if you would like me to do a video for Christmas with easy to draw holiday inspired doodles.